Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. Open the Gimp and go to this file and choose Open as Layers. Select the first image for your GIF and click Open. Again, click File, choose Open as Layers, choose the next image for your GIF and click Open. The GIF sequence will start with your bottom layer. So in your layer windows, the bottom layer will be the first image in your sequence and the next layer will be the next image in your sequence. I'm only using the two images for the demonstration purpose, but you can use more. From the menu, go for this filters, scroll down and go for this animation and click optimize for GIF. Click file and choose export as. This will save your GIF and allow you to set the GIF sequence timings. Give your file a name, select file type, choose GIF image and click on this export. Select the as animation checkbox. Ensure loop forever is set to change the timings in your GIF sequence. Set a value in delay between frames. Click export and that's pretty much it. That's how to make a GIF in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.